Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you might be fine. Dear students, today we are going to start with a new lesson. Lesson number 6, The Pigeon's Party. It is a poem, and in this we are going to see how do even the birds enjoy together. You like in your friends group, isn't it? You even party around. So same is for the animals. Even animals enjoy their company. Even birds enjoy their company. So here this poem is all about the pigeon's party. Let's see, the activities that we do when you have your party with your friends. In the same manner, the pigeons are going to have the party. So, dear students, 20 noisy pigeons had a party last night. Yes, there were 20 pigeons. Pigeons always sit in a line, right? They always, even whenever they have to flock, they always flock in a group, right? So, dear students, the pigeons were having a party. And you know the reason of a party? They were having a party because the last egg had hatched. Do you know what is hatching? Bache, whenever the egg is being laid by the mother, so the mother bird sits on that egg, gives the warmth, and due to the warmth of the mother, after few days, the egg starts cracking and we have a baby bird. So all the baby pigeons were out of the egg, right? And the youngest one was out. So the last egg had hatched and the youngest one was out. So it was a birthday party. It was a party because new babies were out. So they rocked the TV wires and looked the kitten in the eye. Aapko pata hai na? Pigeon is quite afraid of the kitten. So dear students, they were rocking on the TV wire. You know rocking? But whenever the pigeons are sitting on a wire, it starts moving to and fro, right? Because of the weight of the pigeons, isn't it? So it is moving to and fro and it is like they are swinging on it, isn't it? They are enjoying on it. But they were enjoying also, and from the corner of the eye, they were quite scared. Do you know why they were scared? Because of the cat, because of the small kitten that was sitting beside. So they rocked the TV wires and looked the kitten in the eye. So they were rocking on the wire, and from the corner of the eye, they were keeping an eye on the kitten. They are afraid of kitten, isn't it? So they splashed in the pool, the kitten's water bowl. Even the pigeons like bathing. So there was a bowl full of water, और उस वाटर बोल के अंदर बच्चे they were splashing. मतलब जैसे आप लोग भी अगर रिवर के अंदर जाते हो and you want to particularly just take a bath, so in the same manner they were splashing. They were taking bath in the bowl, and that bowl was particularly the kitten's water bowl. And then they had a contest who showers more droppings on the clothesline. And bache, it was a contest going on that who is going to shower. The wire was above the it was just moving from a house. So dear students, they were sitting on the wire, and below that, in that house, some of the clothes were lying. Is that clear? On the clothesline. So they had a contest who is going to drop more water or the droplings on the clothesline. It must have been a good party. Many must have won. So dear students, it was a very good party. They were enjoying a lot. For the clothes were splattered with the proof of the fun. And all the clothes, they might have washed the clothes and they might have put them on the clothes line. But now, all the clothes were having the droplings on them. So that droplings actually showed that the pigeons really had good fun lying there, isn't it? So this was the way of partying of the pigeons. Pigeons really enjoyed their party together. I hope you might have liked this poem. Thank you.